Okay, to use a sound in Visual Basic, first of all, you need to know that it has to be a WAV file. So you can use Audacity to convert MP3s that you get from Sound Dogs to a WAV file. Then what you do is you choose Project. Second from the bottom is Properties. Click on Resources if it's not already chosen. Click the arrow beside Add Resource. Click Add Existing File. Go find your WAV file that you wish to add. Okay, one thing to note is that this little box here, I'm clicking it now, by default shows as bitmaps, but since we're looking for a WAV, what are you going to do? Change it to audio. Choose your WAV file. MP3s won't work. Choose Open. Now I already have one in here, so I'm just going to get rid of that error message. Just for your own information, in Resources here, you can see that it's on Images. I can choose Audio. And there's my drum roll. And I can choose Icons. And I don't have any imported for this project. To use the WAV file, to get your sound to play, first you have to decide when does it play. And in our program here, when we click Answer. So double click Answer. And you already have a line of code there. We want the sound to play after that line of text shows up. So give yourself room. Go to the end of the line, press enter, blah, blah, blah. And then it's like this. My.computer, remember your tab key, .audio.play. Notice I'm using tab, I'm not typing these all. And then in parens, it's my.resources.drumroll. We're not quite done yet. You got to hit a comma. And then you need to choose this top one, audio play mode background. Close your parens, run your program, it will work. And that's how you use sounds in your projects.